Muthoot Institute of Technology and Science, MITS, promoted by the Muthoot Group, located in the industrial suburb of Kochi, is one of the premium colleges in the state and a center of engineering excellence. This temple of learning provides students with world-class infrastructure and highly qualified and proficient faculty, all of which are embedded in a conducive environment where the focus is on the overall harmonious development. Attractive scholarship facilities are provided to the meritorious students, which enable them to complete engineering education at par with government fees.
Consistently top university results and excellent placements have made MITS a sought-after engineering college.
MITS is a landmark on the map of technical education as we focus on delivering quality education to mold the future of MITSians. We believe in promoting the culture of innovation and excellence by providing the right facilities for growth. To promote holistic development of an individual, we have well-ventilated, spacious, smart classrooms, state-of-the-art laboratories with all advanced softwares including MATLAB campus-wide license, a world-class library with over 11,000 volumes spanning over 18,000 square feet apart from individual libraries for each department, well-equipped language labs, audio-visual rooms, seminar halls and a large auditorium, an innovation cell where new ideas are encouraged. Muthoot Global Center for Education and Research, mentored by MITS, is offering 2 industry-oriented international postgraduate programs in association with prestigious Essigilic University, France. MITS has separate hostels for boys and girls that host over 500 students, canteen facility with 400 seating capacity, transport facility plying in and around the district, sports and gym facilities for a wide range of games like basketball, volleyball, football, cricket, etc. We have a well-equipped wellness clinic with doctor consultation facility and service of a qualified nurse. Established as one of the major departments of the Institute since its inception in 2013, the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering is actively engaged in teaching, research and industry collaborations. The department is affiliated to APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University, approved by AICTE and accredited by NBA for the period 2019-2022. We have been one among 5 EEE departments in the state for consistently top results. The EEE department has made several attempts to bridge the industry-academia gap through various industry collaborations. The department has advanced labs with specialized equipment and softwares like PSIM, MATLAB, MyPower, and TIA Portal. MITS EEE has established a Siemens Center of Excellence for Automation and Drives, where the students are trained on the latest automation technologies employed in the workplace. Our students are also provided with the opportunity for undertaking joint projects with industry giants like CTS, Keln and CUMI on latest technologies including blockchain and advanced PLC. By organizing regular interactions, national and international conferences, invited technical talks, conducting industrial visits, trainings and internship programs, the students are exposed to a world of opportunities that mold them into responsible citizens with adequate technical expertise. EEE department has initiated the installation of a 250 kilowatt rooftop solar plant at MITS to meet the energy demands of the institution. The department has also received funding by AICTE under MODROB scheme for upgrading laboratories. In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, EEE MITS joined the Break the Chain campaign by developing an automatic hand sanitizer dispenser named Touch Me Not, which is being distributed to various societies and organizations. We have active student bodies that run various clubs like Music Club, Dance Club, Model United Nations conferences, NSS activities, apart from individual development plans where students get personalized support for charting their career. All major celebrations like Onam, Arts Fest, Tech Fest, Ethnic Day are held in the campus where Mitsians cherish memories for a lifetime. With a lot of activities and events throughout the year, there is never a dull moment for our students. EEE department provides GATE coaching apart from regular curriculum for aspiring students along with other curriculum embedded placement programs. Through campus-wide tie-up with online education platforms like Coursera, NPTEL, etc., students are able to explore beyond the curriculum and have a fulfilling learning experience. Our students have been placed with leading companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, CTS, Nest, OEN with best in the industry offers. From a freshman to a graduate engineer, this institute provides the best-in-class academic experience, opportunities for co-curricular and extracurricular activities, all the while ensuring that your future is in the right hands. Join us where learning is a culture, creativity is contagious, and memories are a promise.